Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brigitta, and today I'm going to show you the second project I made for my monthly challenge of this year with my friend Nadezhda, my crafty sis, Nadezhda Marchena. I will put the link to her channel in the description box below as well. I choose our subject of this month, and I really wanted to try to make a messenger bag that I have seen on the channel of Kayla's Crafts. She had a tutorial for it, and we followed that tutorial and made our own messenger bag. And here is how mine came out. So you will all recognize it. I used the Garden Party collection from Maggie Holmes for it. Yeah, I'm really longing for spring crafting right now. So yeah, it's a little bit too early for me for Easter. I don't have a lot of things till now to craft with, but they will come in our stores when I will wait a week or two. But yeah, I did have my garden party, and that also screams spring to me. So yeah, I get always really happy when I can create with that collection. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'll try to show it to you. It is a really cute messenger bag that you make with a base from chipboard, and the top is just patterned paper. I did double layer it as she suggested, but you don't have to do that. So the base I did not sew the papers, but I did sew all the other papers. So I hope you can see it. I did sew the lids, I did sew the straps. So yeah, I really had a lot of fun doing that, and it really gives a nice extra texture on your project. Here is how I did the handle. I did them with brads, beautiful brads with a white pearl that I had in my stash. And yeah, I decorated it on front with a rosette that I had in my stash, and I added a beautiful pink plastic doily from my stash. I do think Nadezhda gifted that to me some time ago. And on top, yeah, a cute chipboard piece, Look at You Grow, from the Garden Party collection. And I decided to embellish it with a cut off of a flower trim that I have. And these are the conversation hearts that you can find on AliExpress, and a lot of people have them. I will show them to you, which ones I mean, then you recognize them. But yeah, this is not a Valentine project, but I thought, well, why don't I just flip it? So this is how it comes. Be mine, it says. Really adorable for Valentine's Day, of course, but for my friend Nadezhda it was not appropriate, so I flipped it, and the back is just plain. So yeah, and then on top I added a cute plastic flower with a rhinestone from AliExpress. The straps I glued down with my hot glue gun, but on top I decorated it with the beautiful black pearls. And that are the pearls from Action, from this set, the gemstones from Craft Sensations. These ones, really love them. I don't have them for a long time, just for a few weeks, but I already used a lot of them. And for the rest, I thought it missed something here, so I added a sticker from my stash. It's not from Garden Party, but it is a puffy sticker. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, but I also put in some gold threads between the layers. Can you see it? I hope my camera picks it up. So yeah, and I will open it for you, and then you can see how roomy the inside is. So if you open the lid, then you can see how big it is. These are two dividers that we made to put in so that it stays together really well. And yeah, they are just loose dividers. You can take them out and put something big in, or you can add dividers if you have really small things, then it will be extra sturdy. But I have a lot of room here to put in some flat embellishments that I made. So yeah, but I'm not going to show that to you which ones I will put here in this messenger bag, because I want it to be a surprise for Nadezhda. And yeah, we will have to wait really long, because we decided on doing a challenge each month for each other and exchange it at the end of the year. So we really have to wait a long time before we see everything that we made for each other. But yeah, that's also the joy of this swap. So yeah, this is all that I have for you today. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel if you have not already done that. If you hit the notification bell, you get an email each time I upload a video. And I have every week a video on Thursday, my craft mix video, where I show you everything that I buy, Happy Mail that I receive, and small projects that I made. And yeah. And every Friday and every Saturday of the month, the third Friday and the last Saturday of the month, I have my challenge video. So on the Saturday, the last Saturday, I have my challenge with Nadezhda, and on the third Friday of the month I have my Stash Dive challenge with Poet Spice that is hosted by Poet Spice. It's also a year-long challenge. So yeah, that was all that I want to tell you today. I hope you are all doing well and have a great week, and I hope that I'll see you back on my next project. Bye bye.